Hey guys, I'm so excited because today we have a haul. I recently ordered, well, I actually ordered this stuff yesterday and it shipped out, I swear, within like 10 minutes of me placing my order and arrived today. So I'm just like, wow. I ordered from Look Fantastic, so I am thoroughly impressed with the shipping. It was like free express shipping and I got all of this stuff 20% off because they were currently having a sale. So I don't know if the sale will still be on by the time you're watching this, but yeah, anyway, so I decided to, that's great. Anyway, I decided to order some stuff from MCO Beauty because, I don't know, I've just been kind of getting back, I've been getting my spark back for makeup a little bit lately and I'm really excited to just try out some new things. And yeah, really excited to try out some MCO Beauty stuff. So the first thing I got was the Flawless Glow Luminous Skin Filter, which I'm really excited to try. This looks real cool and I really want to do like a dupes video and stuff soon. But anyway, that was the first thing I got. Very exciting. These are just little samples that I got, I think, from... Anyway, the next thing that I got was the Instant Erase Concealer. So I'm also very excited about that. I swear that's meant to be like a dupe of like the Maybelline one or whatever. We got the Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand in Champagne Glow. This is meant to be a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury, I'm pretty sure. We also got the Super Glow Blush Drops. These are in the shade Peachy Pink. And I don't know how you're actually meant to use these. Are you meant to like... Okay, so you're literally meant to just put it on your face, I think. Anyway, that's cool. These are obviously meant to be a dupe of, I think, the Drunk Elephant ones. So excited to try those. We also got the Instant Glow Flash Primer. I don't know what this is meant to be a dupe of. Is this also Drunk Elephant? I don't know. But yeah, got a little primer. So exciting. We also got the Super Glow Bronzing Drops. And I think this is the same. Like you're just meant to... Oh, what do you do? No, this one you're meant to put under your... I was going to say under your face. Under your makeup, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, got those. Super excited. And then the last thing that I got was this little lip oil. This is the hydrating treatment in Sheer Rose. Looks like that. So yeah, I'm so excited. We have enough here for a full face. I really want to order some more things from MCO because they look like they have some really great products. I also want to do an order from e.l.f. soon. So yeah, I'm going to try and do those when I get paid or whenever. Yeah, I'm so excited, so I cannot wait to film this video. I feel like this is one of those videos for like the first time in a while that I feel like so excited to film. Also just wanted to show you, so they sent me some of these like little, what do you call it, like foil packet like samples, and then they also sent me these two, which is exciting. This is the Innisfree Black Tea Youth Enhancing Treatment Essence. I don't know what it is or does. It says apply over face and neck after cleansing, then pat gently for better absorption. And then they also sent me the Green Tea Hydrating Amino Acid Cleansing Water, which is nice. So yeah, they're like decent sample sizes. I swear these are better than the sample sizes that I was getting in the advent calendars. We have 25 mils of each of those. So yeah, that was quite nice. But yeah, highly recommend Look Fantastic because yeah, this stuff came out so quick and it was on sale. So yeah, highly recommend checking out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys want to see me try out first. Also, if you have any recommendations for MCO or e.l.f., leave them down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!